In this video, I'll be showing you how to play Roblox on 2 accounts at the same time. You can play on 2 accounts by having another version of the Roblox app or another device to use. To find out what version of Roblox you have, open the Start menu and search for Roblox. On the right, you should see the Roblox options. If you don't, then go to the left and click the arrow next to the Roblox app. If the app is called Roblox Player or says Open, File Location in the Options menu, then you have the desktop version of Roblox. However, if it is called Roblox and has the App Settings option, then you have the Microsoft Application version. Now you will need to get the version you don't have. The timestamp for the Microsoft App version will be on screen. To get the desktop version, go to the Roblox website and sign in. Select a game to play. Any will work. Click on the play button and a new window will open. Wait for it to load. Then click the Download button. Open the Download Manager, typically. It will be at the top. Then choose to Show in Folder or Open File Location. Double-click on the Roblox Player installation file and Roblox will begin to install. Select Yes if asked to allow Roblox to make changes. Once installed, click the Sign In button. Sign in to the second account you want to play and open the other Roblox application. You can click and drag the title bar to move the Roblox application, or drag the sides or corners to resize the window. For the Microsoft app, open the Start menu, then search for Microsoft Store and open it. Select the search box, then type in Roblox and press Enter. Go down and select Roblox. Now you will need to click the Get button. Mine says Install because I already own it but don't have it installed. Click the Install button, then wait for Roblox to install. Once done, click the Play. The button and Roblox will open. Select Sign In, then sign in to the account you want to use. Click and drag the title bar to move the application or drag from the sides to resize the window. Another option is to set Roblox up on another device, such as a phone, tablet, or console. If you have a mobile device, then you may want to set it up on a stand to make it easier to play. Whereas if you have a console you can use, then you'll want to have a second monitor. You now know how to play Roblox on multiple accounts at the same time. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.